Most people think you need a huge following to make money online. But what if you could earn steady income by writing just 300 words a week for a small group of Americans who care deeply about one topic? Welcome back. Today I'm sharing a unique online earning method, subscription-based micro-newsletters. It's about creating short, hyper-focused email updates for niche US audiences and charging a small subscription fee. Step 1. Pick a niche Americans care about. Think local sports updates, neighborhood real estate trends, or even weekly meal deals in your city. These are topics people want, but don't have time to track. Step 2. Keep it short and valuable. Your newsletter doesn't need to be long, just 300 to 500 words with curated info. Americans love quick reads that save them time. Step 3. Use free tools to launch. Platforms like Substack, Beehiiv, or ConvertKit let you start for free. You can set subscriptions at $3 to $5 per month. With just 100 subscribers, that's $300 to $500 recurring income. Step 4. Market locally online. Promote your newsletter in Facebook groups, Reddit communities, or even at local events. Americans are more likely to pay for content that feels personal and relevant to their daily life.